everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine there is a new comment on your Instagram profile and automatically the record of the comment details is added in Google Sheets. Yes, this is possible just by simply building this amazing automation, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time. Using a different profile, I will create a new comment on one of my posts that I've created and check whether automatically the record of the comment details is added in my Google Sheets or not. Okay, so now for creating the comment, let me open a different profile. So this is a different account and I'm going to create a new comment on my post. So this is the post where I will be adding the comment. So let's suppose for the comment I'll write over here as amazing content, guys. Okay, so this is the comment that I will be posting. So let me add the comment on this post. As now the comment has been added, now let me go back to my Google Sheets and check whether the record of this comment is added in my Google Sheets or not. So let me go back and yes, you can see right over here the record has been created. The account that has posted the comment is Michelangelo and the comment is amazing content, guys, with the same emojis. Okay, so as now I've received the response over here in my Google Sheets, the record has been created of the comment. This is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Now without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this automation. Simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you will find two options, sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, don't worry, sign up for free from here as you're logging in for the first time. Using that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore what is Pabbly Connect and what are the features. And if you like using Pabbly Connect and you also want to automate your business workflows, then I will give you a secret coupon code that will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals. This is the code on the left side corner of my screen right here. Go and use this code and get the instant discounts. Okay, I'm already a user, so I will sign in from here directly. Then you will come to the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button. Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation, click on this Create Workflow button. There are two methods to create the workflow. I will select the new beta method version. Next, it is asking for the name of my workflow, for which I will give it as Smart Way to Track Instagram Engagement. Folder, these are the folders. To add your own folder from this plus button, you can do that. I will select Workflows folder and click on this Create button. Then the workflow has been created inside Pabbly Connect's workflow. There are two major steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action inside Pabbly Connect's workflow. We are going to set up our trigger right over here, in which for the trigger application, what I will do is I will select it as Instagram Developer and the event is going to be new comment. With the help of this trigger application and the event, whenever on my Instagram account a new comment is going to be created, automatically and instantly at that same point, the response of that new comment will be captured in this trigger right here using this trigger application and event. Okay, then I'm going to click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, simply you have to provide the token and the account identifier, from where you will find all these details. For that, simply go towards this hyperlink right here and you will come to the Pabbly forum page. After coming to Pabbly forum, scroll down. Now what you have to do is, in order to connect Instagram Developer to Pabbly Connect, inside your meta, you have to create an app. And after you will create the app by following the steps given here below, you will create the app, you will get the token as well as the account identifier. So I have already created the Instagram app. Now I will generate the token from here. For that, click on this Generate Token button. After clicking right here, we have to log into our Instagram account again. So let me log in back. So I will log in from here. After logging in, it is going to ask you for the permission. For that, click on this Allow button. And as soon as you will do that, you will see the token has been generated. To copy the token, click on I understand. Copy this token from here and paste paste it in this field. Then for the account identifier, you will see the account identifier right here. Copy this ID and paste it in this field and click on the save button. That is how you build the connection between Instagram developer and Pabbly Connect. Next, it says save and send test request. Click on this button right here. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether our Instagram account is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new comment on any of our posts right here and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the new post created or not. Okay, so now let me open another account again. So this is another account. Now let's create a new comment on this post right here. Okay, for the comment I will write over here as you guys create amazing content, I really like it. Okay, so I will post this comment right here. I have posted the comment on this post. Okay, so as now I've added this comment successfully, let me go back to my workflow, and yes, you can see right over here the response has been captured in the trigger. If I will tally the response, the comment was done from the ID Michelangelo and the comment is you guys create amazing content, I really like it. Okay, now let me tally the ID first with you. So let me open that previous account again. You can see the comment was made from Michelangelo. You can see the same ID. That response has been captured in this trigger right here. Okay, so as now the response has been captured, Instagram developer is connected to Pabbly Connect. As now this connection has been created, I want to create the record of this comment where? In my Google Sheets. Now for that we are going to create the connection. Add an action step, in which for the action application I will select over here as Google Sheets, and the event is going to be add new row. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new connection from here. For that, click on this sign in with Google button. As soon as you will do that, it is asking for us to select an account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet. So this is the account. I will select it, and then it is going to ask you for the permission, the access of this account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After that, for the spreadsheet, I will select it as Instagram comments and sheet as sheet 1. So let me select those details from here. Okay, and then it is going to ask for the Instagram username and the comment. Okay, so as many headers you will create in your Google Sheets right over here, it is going to appear like this. I have added 2 headers of username and comments. That is how it is going to appear. Now for the data of these fields, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. How can you do that? Click on the field, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear where you will see the username of the person who have created the comment. Okay, as I want to create the record of this username and this comment, I will select the data of the username first from my previous response. So as now I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In this similar manner, I will map the data of the comment that I have received right here. So I will map the data and click on this save and send test request button. And you can see I have received this response, which is a positive response, and in my Google Sheets, yes, you can see the record has also been created. It's from Michelangelo. The comment is you guys create amazing content, I really like it. So as now the record has been created, this means that Instagram is connected to Google Sheets successfully. That means this entire automation has been created. Now whenever a new comment is going to be posted by any of the users on your profile, automatically will see the systematic record of all the comments in your Google Sheets. Okay, so this is how you create this automation without need of any coding and programming skills. If you need the workflow that I have created in this video, you want the template, the workflow link is added in the description section below. With that, if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.